Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we have confirmed you have a valid Copilot license, your apps are updated, and your privacy settings are totally correct. But that Copilot button is still missing from the ribbon. It's like it never existed before. But before you actually give up, there is one more thing to try. In some cases, the Copilot icon may appear in the document corner instead of basically on the ribbon, but it's completely absent. You can manually add it to the ribbon through the customization menu. So here's how to actually bring it back. First and first, you have to understand the baseline requirements. Copilot appears in the home tab of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. On the web, if you are a Copilot subscriber, to have it in the desktop apps, you need a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription with Copilot Pro. The same account signed into the apps must be licensed account, apps must be fully updated as well, and connected experiences must be enabled. If all requirements are met and Copilot is still missing, proceed to the next step. Then go ahead and check the document corner. In your builds, Copilot may appear as a button in the document corner rather than on the ribbon. Look in the corner of your document window before trying manual customization. Then you can go and try to manually add Copilot to the ribbon. If you have confirmed the account and subscription but still can't see the icon, you can manually add it. Right click to the home ribbon and select customize the ribbon. In the middle box, choose basically whatever you like. So for example, let me take a small look. Okay, here we have start, we have this. Okay, for example, let's go all the way to Word. Anyway, okay, access toolbar, customize the ribbon. As you see here, you will be able to see many options. New file, footnote, font color, bullet, okay, or whatsoever. Popular comments not in the ribbon, accept, reject, align, arrows, and all of these informations. So if you have a new version, go ahead and look for Copilot, then tap on add. That's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.